We've got a beautiful collection of summer knits. They're just perfect for summer and transition because they'll go into fall. They're just lightweight. This is 100% viscose. It's beautiful. It's a little floral, but check. I love the masculine and feminine of this. Not a lot of yardage on it, but just really pretty. Stretch in both directions, 100% viscose. This goes beautiful. I love this. Light. It's a great red. Great red. Stretch in both directions. It's an ITY knit, but it's a cotton poly. And that gives us a little, it's not the same ITY that's 100% poly. This is just a really pretty, great drape. Very flattering. And then we see a camo. These camos are everywhere, you guys. They continue strong into fall. So this is a black, white, gray. It has stretch in one direction. It's a cotton poly. It's a French terry. It's very pretty little fabric. Lightweight, this is our wash test. I love this. Black and gray, stretch in both directions, very pretty, very light, just really nice. 100% viscose, this is our little hearts. You know, our heart will go on or whatever. Anyway, you can see that this has stretch in just one direction. That's a little bit of two, but just one. It has little hearts all over. A little bit of yellow in there, which yellow we know is strong for fall also. So just great transition period. Lightweight knits, just really pretty. Then we have kind of a muted camo. I love this because a lot of us, you know, maybe we don't have camo, we don't do camo. This is a great way to do it. This is a French terry. It's a one-way stretch, and it's a cotton poly. It's a really beautiful way to do it. You could do yoga pants, you could do just so many different things, and it would be just perfect for right now. And again, very lightweight. Your summer lightweight knits. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.